Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Block Blast blue. So in order to do it, you first have to launch your Block Blast game, and over here you need to tap on the classic mode. Now once you tap on the classic mode, you will see that your block board is looking something like this, and it has all of the colors. Now in order to make it blue, you will have to tap on this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to tap on the play button. So the play button will be right next to replay, so you just have to tap on the play button again and again. And now as you can see that all of my blocks are in red color, so you will have to just keep on tapping on the replay button until you get your blocks in blue color. So you will have to just keep on trying like this, and you will be able to get blue blocks in game. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.